Hey there, welcome to day 1659 of What's She Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Vote of confidence story, our vote of confidence. This is actually my absentee ballot envelope. Today happens to be an election, a primary election in the state of Wisconsin today, and I'm making sure I vote. I believe that once I was 18, it was a right of mine, and I wanted to exercise my right to vote. I don't know, it makes me feel good. And you know, people argue, well, your vote doesn't even count. I'm going to cancel your vote out. My ex-husband used to say that to me all the time because he thought it was funny. And I still would vote because I want to be able to participate. You know, there's ways that we can participate, and more or less depending on our personal situation. But I don't usually like to talk about politics, but I do think that we should vote and express our mind. And our idiom for Supersize Your Business today was vote of confidence. And that means, of course, our trust in people that we elect or that are leading us in different organizations to do the right thing. Our belief in someone or something, our faith in someone or something. It's an expression of our support or confidence in someone or something. And I think that in the last several years we've been tested when it comes to our belief in people doing the right thing, especially in the political arena and other different areas of authority in it. So it's been an interesting time, at least here in America. So vote of confidence was our idiom for Supersize Your Business today. Our annual challenge this year is the BU 365-day challenge. We're doing one thing every day that improves us or continuously improves us in different areas and aspects of our life. Up till now, and this month and next month, we're focusing on a life framework, 9-area life framework, and we're focusing on one area each month, and we're doing things, topics related to that core part of our being and our lives. We did physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationship, contribution, and this month we're doing confidence, and next month we're going to do communication. I added confidence and communication last year to my personal coaching experience. I had a coach in those areas, and if I'm learning something new that's really valuable and a core foundational skill, I want to add that to my life framework. I'm not sure how long confidence and communication will stay in my life framework with respect to setting goals and objectives and principles and purpose and breaking those down into little bite-sized pieces so that I am doing something every day that moves me toward my long-term legacy goals in each of those areas of my life. But for right now, they're foundational skills that I think I could probably work on for the rest of my life. I can continue to become a better communicator every day for the rest of my life, and I still won't ever be done. I can continue to increase my confidence, how I show up in the world, my belief and faith in myself for the rest of my life, and I'll probably never be done. There'll still be room for me to grow and get better and be more confident and be a better human being in all areas, especially in confidence and communication. But since they impact, just like the other areas of the life framework, every other area and aspect of our life, our physical well-being and our physical health impacts every area and aspect of our life. We can't go out and make money and impact the financial area of our life if we are sick or diagnosed with something. Nothing will shut you down faster, and I've learned this from personal experience, or change your life faster than some kind of a health diagnosis. It takes everything you've done up till that point and just it causes this massive stop in your life, and you have to reevaluate, re-examine, and change a lot of the things you've been doing all the way up until now in order to make sure that you're still here talking. So that's what I'm working on. We're helping my mom. My sisters and I are helping my mom move. She's downsizing just to one house, and so we're helping her do that, and I think it's super stressful for her, and I know how she feels because a couple of years ago, following my divorce, I had to downsize and move out of my family home. And it's amazing how much stuff you accumulate in 25 years. It's really, some of us are pack rats, and how many things you accumulate, and how many memories and how much stuff comes up as you're going through the process of letting things go so other people can appreciate them, versus deciding what needs to still come with me. What do I want to still surround myself with? And it's an emotional process. It's a challenging process. So I know exactly how she feels about that. And she's had to do it a lot since my dad died. She's moved, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. She's moved like 5 times since then, and so lots of stuff. Anyway, if I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day.